Hello, today I would like to show you my recent purchase from the Aliexpress. I was working on a project of fixing device that you will be able to see on my channel, but it got a micro limit switch that was broken. And the main problem is that I do not have limit switch like this. I've got set of different tactile switches that I purchased some time ago, and that was the closest match, but as you can see it do not have that metal part that go out, so I've decided to order set of different one, because the problem with those devices is that they are extremely cheap, but you have to pay for the delivery, and if you add like a $1 piece of 50-cent piece, one piece, and you pay on top of that like $5 to get it delivered, then it does not make sense. So what I'm doing, I'm always buying a set, and this is what I found and order, and we are going to unbox it and see whether I managed to find something that will give ourselves a match. And it was set of 60 limit switches, micro limit switches. This is how they are being called, and this is what arrived. This is what we've got. Let's dig through this set. First, let's take a look at the dimensions. This is like the most common size, and as you can see we've got a 100% match in form of holes and the dimensions of the limit switch. So if you would be interested, the dimensions are 2 centimeters. This is the dimension of the width, and the second dimension is 6 and 5 millimeters. So this is how it looks like. And first that we've got that one with a roller, quite interesting. I do not have use case for them, but they are going to end up on my shelf, and as you can see, if I need something I just pull it. So I don't need them today, but maybe tomorrow or in the next week. This is the another type, and that one is start looking more closely. As you can see, we've got some kind of room. I have feeling that this is going to be a perfect match, because it was not touching that element, what is quite interesting. So that might be good. And if I'm going to have a problem, then you can always grab them with pliers and you can force them and bend and shape the way you would like to. So do not be afraid, just make sure that you're grabbing them here so the force don't go to the end. So we've got that 2 type. Here those are exactly the same, or not. That one seems a little bit longer. It is longer, but maybe this is a quality issue. It is clearly longer. Maybe that's a quality check. Then we've got that one. This is our 3rd type. This is also quite interesting, and maybe that's going to be a better, because as I told you, we've got absolutely no problem in grabbing it here and making a small reshape. So maybe that one is going to fit. Yeah, I think I will try that one. This is a small bonus footage. As you can see, I mounted the micro limit switch and it's working perfect. You can hear the distinct click. If you would be curious what's that thing around the nut and the bolt, this is a Loctite copy with a low strength. That is going to make sure that any vibration are not going to undo those nuts. This is the fourth type that we are checking, with the lever being even with the micro switch. This is how it looks like. Are they the same? Looks like yes. And the last one is a very generic, without any lever, just plain switch. So as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different type of limit switches, and I will be able to fix my device, and I pay for that whole box less than €7 being delivered to my door. Instead, purchase just the one that I was needed and getting a local shipping. So this is how it looks like. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.